non-flying pilot will call rotate any moment now, and there we go, just about 3,000 feet.
Today, yes, you can really pitch the aircraft to a high angle to let's say, in a low-level environment, avoid terrain or weather or something like that, which is very important.
Or small arms fire from the ground, I suppose.
Indeed, yes.
So undercarriage down now.
Yes, so you can see 12 main wheels on the undercarriage. It's what we call a high flotation undercarriage. Most impressive part. Another really physical experience as the brakes come on. And in fact, there's even an automatic mode for the maximum braking to really shorten the landing as much as possible. And of course, with those 4 engines in reverse thrust, which I know can happen.
It's the runner! On the Tucano, sorry, where he was the Tucano display. The wonderful and iconic shape of the Concorde.
Coming left.
Red 1 gives the command and the wings of the Concorde immediately start to flex forward. As the front section move to alongside Red 1, Reds 8 and 9 make their way outwards, and Reds 6 and 7 split at the rear. They continue to come around to the left. Get your cameras ready for the colourful Phoenix. George is in his first year of the team, a former Typhoon pilot. The aboard call is made by Red 9 as Reds 8 and 9 roll around the rest of the formation. Watch for the colour change as Red 1 brings the team down the line. As we go into the second half, we now see a manoeuvre not flown since 2000. This is the 5-4 split. As we go into the second half, you now see the team break down into 2 distinctive halves. Off to the right-hand side, you have Reds 1 through 5. They are now known as Enid, named after Enid Blyton's famous 5. Reds 6, 7, 8 and 9 to the left are now known as Hannah, named after squad leader Ray Hanna, one of the first members of the Red Arrows, the only team leader to lead the team for 4 years. He took the team from a 7-ship to a 9-ship. He was also responsible for our world-famous Diamond 9. Enid from the right, Hannah from the left, for the 5-4 cross. Aircraft, Enid from the right, the smoke comes on as they fly the Gnat. Renault's cruise is ready, it's the Hannah break. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready for the Hannah pass. Pilot, former qualified weapons instructor on the Typhoon. As the synchro pair now turn towards each other to finish off the manoeuvre called Cyclone. Red 9 climbing up, smoking the red, the white and the blue, followed by Enid going off to our left-hand side. They part for the world-famous Synchro Heart. Pilot, former Typhoon pilot, and former qualified flying instructor on the Hawk T-2. Called the Carousel. The Serpent. And you can see the red, white and blue once again in trail from Enid. That red, white and blue is only capable due to the smoke pod, which is a small tank under the belly of the aeroplane. That smoke pod is capable of producing approximately 5 minutes. Underneath matching depth and length for this Hannah mirror pass. 2 and 3 roll to the outside. Clear goes, Reds 4 and 5 roll to the outside. In one of the hardest manoeuvres for all new pilots each year to master. wonderful 60 in the sky to celebrate 60 display seasons for the Red Arrows. Red 6 and 7.
Oh, God.